All right, here's a look at all the relevant relays that are back in. So these two now are socketed. These are the original relays that came with the radio as I got it. And I've put those in sockets. I simply put in sockets and I've put the relays back into the board as they were because I don't have replacements for them, but I expect now if I do get replacements, it should be easy to pop them in there, I would hope. These two relays on the side, because they're back to back, these were kind of a bear to get in. I did find I could bend this plate back a little bit, which I did, to give these a little more clearance. I had to bend the pins on these a bit forward to make them fit. And then once they were lined up, I could kind of force them in. I did pull these back out to make sure the pins weren't all bent up and all screwed up, and they did go in okay, so I put them back in. And that leaves the famous one under the switch here. I probably spent an hour getting in this relay. I never took the switch apart, didn't want to. And I found that I could fold the pins on this thing forward toward the switch, have them bent down at almost a 45-degree angle, maybe a 30-degree angle, and then push them in. They finally caught on the holes, and then they would unbend as I kept on pushing. I had to finally give this thing a pretty hard shove to get it to click in, and thought maybe I broke it, but I could see the pins coming through the holes in the bottom, so I figured it was good to go. So it will be interesting if this board works. If it doesn't work anymore, I'll be disappointed, but it wasn't doing me any good before anyway. So, and this relay was the one that was really defective. The rest were probably okay. But now I can pop them in and out at will, I think, or at least with less headache than pulling the board back out. So I still got one transistor to fix here. And I gotta pop in a transistor right there if I can find it. I ordered one of those and it came in. And it's a matter of where did it go? It was on a piece of cardboard. Maybe it got thrown out. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.